a review of the Telesin accessories case, and you can use it for your Osmo Pocket or GoPro or other small action cameras and accessories. So let's open it right now. I ordered these from Amazon, and since I got Amazon Price, it took 2 days to arrive. So this is the front of the box, and this is the back of the box. It's actually made in China. So let's see. I wanted to buy the KC from GoPro, but it's $50 or $35 with GoPro Plus membership. So I figure this will be cheaper. Alright, so first looks, this is the case. You have a nice handle. You have a I don't know, kind of like a weird odor. I guess probably because it's brand new, right? So this is the back of the case. You have the Telesin logo. It's kind of like a combination between hard and soft case. So it looks pretty good. The zipper is black and red, so that give it a nice touch. And I'm going to put the camera down so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm going to open it and see what the compartments look like. Ta-da! Okay, so it's not too big and it's not too small. I think it will be actually perfect for my GoPro. So I'm planning to put my GoPro in one side, my dual battery charger on another side, my head strap on one side. Here, I don't know, maybe I'll put one of my cases for the GoPro. This side over here, I think is big enough for like a pole, one of the GoPro poles. And yeah, so it's pretty nice. So we have these pockets over here. You can put maybe your SD card, your battery, or I don't know, some smaller accessories. Then you have this compartment over here. You can put cables, or perfect for the GoPro battery, so that's pretty awesome. And in this compartment over here, the last compartment, I probably gonna put some of my cables, some of the power outlets, possibly even my shorty stick from GoPro. So this case I got it for around $15 plus tax in Amazon, so that's actually a pretty good price. If you don't have the GoPro membership, the case is $50 and the regular case is $20. So I feel like that's for the actual GoPro case. So I feel like for a third-party case, it's actually not bad. It's perfect size. It will fit on my airplane bag, and it have as many. It have a lot of like different different velcros that you can adjust. So if you have like something bigger, you can put it in this side and then save this space to put something a little bit smaller. So I feel like this case, for the price, is actually pretty good. I'll highly recommend it, and it fits all my needs. So yeah, I may do a review later on with the accessories inside my case and what accessories I'm using for my GoPro. But yeah, that's all for today, and thank you guys for watching.